to day 3 of this Taiwanese travel vlogs. Oh, it could be 4, can't remember. But yeah, today is going to be the more chill day of the 7 days or 8 days that we're here. Corinne's already gone for a run and I am on my way to the gym. So as I said in the last vlog, I think part of a good holiday is moving your body regularly, because you will be eating and swallowing and inhaling more food as per usual. So it will make you feel better if you move your body so you don't feel like an absolute pig. Alright, so we're on our way to the gym. After that, we're gonna go have some light breakfast, because for lunchtime we're going to have yumcha with my grandma, my cute ass grandma, and my mum, and whoever else wants to join. So I think my grandma's shouting because she's a rich, nah, she's not. But nah, she's awesome. I think so far this Taiwanese trip has been really fun. It's been great to see family. I think coming to Taiwan with my wife Corinne, being a bit older as well, I think I'm 25 now, so I'm a grown-ass man. But people still, I feel like people still see me as a little kid, because I've always been the youngest in the family. But it's kind of nice having everyone shower you with love. I'm not mad at all. So it's been really nice to come here as a grown-ass man, but still getting treated like a little kid. My grandma always makes sure that I'm fed, and my grandma and my aunties, they always hound Corinne about wearing clothes, like wearing a shirt, or as in she wears a shirt, but wear a coat. And it's like 21 degrees, it's warm. And Corinne's like, I'm not cold. But they're like, no, you're cold. You are cold, so wear this or whatever. So it's low-key annoying, but it comes from a place of love. So we need to understand and respect them. Enough talking from me. Let's go to the gym, move our bodies, and then let's go eat some food. Let's go. So we've just showered up and we're on our way to grandma's home. Part of being in Taiwan means you have to go check out one of the Taiwanese bread shops. I'm standing in one now, and let me just say, the smell, I wish you can smell what I'm smelling. It's like a mixture of butter, pastry, pork floss, creaminess. Oh, it's phenomenal. So Corinne and I, we're gonna go share a bread of some sort.
This is pineapple bun.
菠萝包 for those of you who speak Mandarin. Man, I need a shave. I look like a gronk. Okay. White people got this. Hi. Hey, the flavor's really nice, right? It's like got a crusty layer, and it's like crusty and sweet, and then you get to the inside where it's like a trampoline, very bouncy. The more you chew, the more flavors.
If you want to eat 菠萝包, don't search on YouTube on how to make it. Just eat it, right?
Yeah, because if you know how they made it, you're not gonna want to eat it.
Yeah. It's not because it's disgusting. Because it's so unhealthy.
Yeah. Alright, we're in the elevator to grandma's home, and we've made a bet to see if grandma will comment on whether Corinne is cold or not. Hello, 我们到了。
早晨。
Hi, 妈妈。
哎呦，妈妈那么美。哎呦，那么水哎。哎，主播你好吗？你们这个时间还要去吃？
太冷了，太冷了。
太冷了。
Hey, you owe me $10. You owe me $10.
怎么样？哎，外面好热。会不会？
对，外面很热。
外面很热。
阿丽宝，婆婆国语讲不好。
还有我。
来，婆婆。
国语讲不好。
没事，婆婆，你会多少英文就说多少英文。
不会啦。
你会说 OK 啊，什么 Yes 啊？
婆婆，你会说 I love you。
I love you 会啦。
很标准哎。
还有 Good morning。
Morning 也会啦。
那晚安怎么说？
晚安怎么讲啊
Good night。
啊 ，Good night 啦
Good night
婆婆都忘掉了啦。
你还会说你好啊 ？How are you？
How are you？ 哎，会
啊，你很会啊，你很会啊。
以前坐飞机要吃咖啡、吃水果都不懂。啊，旁边坐一个香港小姐，我问她这怎么剪那怎么剪？学了几句。
有啊，来说一下。
咖啡。
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 Yeah。
tea。
很厉害啊！很厉害啊！
这么厉害。
牛扒就壁虎是吧
？Beef。哎，很厉害，很厉害。
壁虎。
Beef。
啊，还有那个鸡排叫做什么？忘记了。Chicken。
对。
还有学这几句啦。
这样就够了，这样就够了。
对啊。还有再见，拜拜，Goodbye。
拜啊 ，Thank you。
我妈会说 No Q。
Thank you， 还有 No Q。
Thank you。还好我妈。
To be。
尖椒先吃一条。
啊，没事，我吃个拔辣，
好啦。
你们运动到10点要去吃早餐，那我们11点半要去吃午餐。
我们只是要吃，就是一点点，就是我们分享，就是可能一个就是吃一点东西嘛。但是我们
昨天吃太多了，他们昨天早餐吃太多了。
This is a Taiwanese fruit called bala, very delicious. 好，我们现在要去吃饮茶，好吃的饮茶，婆婆请客哦。
婆婆请客。
Okay, so yumcha is done. How was your yumcha experience?
It was so good.
Yeah.
It was so good.
Compared to Australia, is there?
Oh, much better. Come on. You can't compare.
Yeah, I think the fact that it's like we're in Taiwan, everything's just a little bit better than
Because we are foreign.
because we're foreigner, because we're white. So now we have just finished lunch and we're obviously back at the hotel, so we're just having a bit of a rest before we go and check out Taipei 101 and just walk around. It's like a big shopping mall as well, so we'll take you along with us.
We are ready to spend money.
No, we're not.
I want Gucci.
I want Versace.
I want Guess.
That's the only 3 top brands that we know.
Bye.
是要去逛101，还是要上去？
没有上去，
不上去，
只是逛，只是逛
我。跟你讲，逛它那个地方啊，全部没什么地方。
OK
我带你上去阳明山呐。
OK。
好啊，你们没来过阳明山，我带你上去阳明山呐。好啊。来阳明山玩呐。
There's
我们
been
上
a
去走
slight
走
change
逛
to
逛。
plans because our plan was to go to
Okay.
101, Taipei 101, but then we got halfway there and then my uncle Ricky calls me and is like, hey, what are you doing? My boss is in here, I can take you to play. And then we
We go to 阳明山。
阳明山。
so we're not going to 101 anymore, we're going somewhere else.
我们去阳明山走一走，
好
因为那个阳明山是一个 风景胜地。
OK
啊，
好啊
我们当然带你上去走一走。
好啊
然后阳明山它那个地方有一个叫做擎天岗，那个地方就我们可以到那边去走走的，看着就那个九九带着你走。
OK，
好啊，
还有一个地方啊，叫做那个什么故宫博物院。故宫博物院 ，OK， 你们就可以下来在那个地方照一张相，就是我来过故宫博物院啦。
好啊。
Alrighty, so first stop is 故宫博物院, which is something, I don't know, but it's really pretty and cool. So we're gonna go and take a few pickies under there.
很多人骑脚踏车上山，
哇，
真的啊，就是为了看这边的夜景，
喂，真的美耶。
很漂亮。
So as you can see, the satellite dish behind me, that one goes straight from your cell phone to the sky and back to the other people you try to call. We just went up this mountain thing and it's so windy and I'm honestly feeling a little bit carsick, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so we're back at Grandma's home now. And we're just relaxing a little bit before dinner time, which is in about 15 minutes. And after dinner, we're going to go back and hang out with Uncle Ricky and Auntie Amanda. And we're gonna go somewhere, I'm not too sure, so come with us.
哇，好香哦！
好，谢谢阿迪，
谢谢。
非常好吃。
还有8块金酒，刚才1块8块。
不是0.5全部。
我知道。
Yeah， 就是慢慢的尝到上面，就是 Yeah. Auntie Amanda is cutting my hair, as you can see. This is her own little shop in Taipei.
所以我到时候要去澳洲开店。
当然啦，我一定会支持你。
Right, haircuts done. Corey, come here. Corey's so,
One Spider-Man。
Corey's so cute. Look at her. Can you feel that?
你有骑过机车吗？
Can you feel that?
我很小的时候也骑车。
Can you feel that?
在澳洲都没。
We're gonna go to 公馆，对不对？公馆。We're gonna go shopping and we're gonna go there by motor vehicle. Oh, wow, wow, wow. 坐下。
哎 ，Hello。
I want fast. Fast.
Yeah.
Fast.
Hug me.
Hug you.
Yes, hug me.
像是个草鸡，像是个草。
他说我拿水。
我拿水而已，我误会了。
Yummy。
你要在什么地方？
要。
哇，还有
饱哎，不是有啊，所以我们把它菜全部都吃完啊。
好，谢谢。是啊。
谢谢金主，感谢金主。
拜拜。That was an experience, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it was so good.
I think the part of the Taiwanese experience is you've got to ride on a motorcycle
Yeah.
in Taipei.
Experience.
That's awesome. Thank you.